Okay, last time we proved that defactorization formulas, that is from product to sum. Now I want to go, how do we get from sum to product? So let's do some adjustment. So instead of A, A, let's write it as C plus D over 2. And instead of B, let's put C minus B. Now you realize what is the reason. What is A plus B is C plus D divided by 2, and you add that one, C minus D divided by 2. This is, the denominator is the same, write the numerator exactly the same. And this D goes away and you get 2C over 2AC, see? So A plus B ends up getting, so you get A plus B is C. Now let's do subtraction. What is A minus B? A minus B is A is C plus minus B is C minus D. But be careful, there's a minus sign, so you have to change this. So same 2, then this is C plus D. This minus will remain minus C, but minus and minus will become plus D. And that way you can cross out and you get twice, which is D. So what did we learn here is that A minus B equals D. So this is important. Now all you do is these two things in the formula right here. So let's call this as first, second, third, and the fourth. So the first one is 2 sine of, A is C plus D over 2. So this is C plus D over 2. So the only thing I want to write the other way around. This part, this thing let's write first. That means it is sine of A plus B. But what is A plus B is C, so that's C. Then plus sine of A minus B is D equals, now this is 2, and sine of A is C plus D over 2. So we get C plus D over 2 and C minus D over 2. So simple. And you do the same thing the other one. So the second one, this formula, I'll start with sine of. The only change is there's a minus sign. So sine minus, so sine C and sine of D equals 2. But this time there is a cosine. So 2 cosine A. So 2 cosine, and 2 sines. The only difference is this angles you have to replace. So all I'm doing is I'm replacing A plus B by C. You're replacing A minus B by D, and this A is C plus D. That's all you do. And the third one is, so this cosine C, so this is cosine, and this plus cosine. So C and D is again 2 cosine A and B. So 2 cosine. So again C plus D divided by 2. There you go. And the last one is fourth one. So cosine A minus B. So I have to write cosine of D here. Cosine of D minus cosine of C equals 2 sine of, again A is C plus D divided by 2, and sine of C minus 2 sine. Yeah. But then all these are with CD, 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 CD. So the last one can be adjusted, and we will write this as cosine of C minus cosine of D. Then this will change. This will be on the other side. Because you are swapping this plus 2, I'm going to write minus 2. And you get sine C plus D divided by 2. Sine C minus D divided by 2. And those are the four formulas. So we can use this, but instead of this, you use cosine C minus cosine D is minus, that's the only one which you have to take, is minus 2 sine side. Everything is the same. So what does this mean is when you are factorizing is, if I write sine of 4x and minus sine of 6x and then write it as a product, so you're going to use, okay, here it is sine minus sine, this is C, this is D. All you do is 2 cosine of, you add 4x and 6 which is 10 and divide by 2, you get 5x. And the second time you write, subtract this, which will be 4 minus 6 is minus 2x, divide by 2 is this way. Of course you can write this minus, pull it outside and get minus 2 cosine 5x. So a lot of this problem we will see later on how and why. But the goal here is just to know this is called factorization formula, and they are also called sum to product. So those were from product to sum, and this is from sum to product. More of this problem we will see with the homework assignment. So if I get time, I'll make a lot of videos also on this, how to apply this. So application is very important, but before applying, how did this formula come from? That's important. How did you get it? So just wanted to know the trick is, if you know the defactorization formula, just replace C plus D divided by 2 is A, and that one is B. Do A plus B and you get this, do A minus B, get that, and just replace it with the original defactorization formula and you get it. Okay? Thanks for watching. I think I went too fast. I hope you get it. Comprehend, replay it, play it again, and then in the next class, we'll do a lot of problems how to apply them. See you in the class.